like to show my setup, how it is there. Okay, just to watch. This is recent. One order is there. I'm doing this painting. It's going processing under purchasing. This is my stand. Here only I'm taking the online drawing classes for kids and adults. Long back this painting we done. I have one classes there, so I have to continue for the class also. See, look here, first time drawing. Like that. Then from here to here in the middle one sleeping line. After that, here also one small kind of mountain. Here I will draw small house. Look first. Then here I am drawing one tree. This is for beautiful painting. I will show you how to do. First look. Yes, exactly. Here one small. Yeah, hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir? It's been a long time.
Yes. That is true only.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Adira. How are you? Hi, Arav. How are you? Come fast. Okay. Wow, you also got drawing book. Great. Adira, super. Adira, very good. Okay. Okay, I'll take your drawing book. Take your drawing book, Arav. Okay, Arav. Start quickly.